Click the Windows. Next, click the settings. Inside the settings, click the system. And then inside the system, scroll lang natin, scroll down. And then click the about. Okay. So we are here in about. So click natin ang advanced system settings. Ito. Yan. So as you can see, the next procedure is click the performance settings. In performance settings, select the adjust for best performance. Just click it. So click the adjust for best performance. The third one. Okay. So after that, apply. Click the apply and then okay. Okay, so as you can see, so our computer now is faster. So mabilis na ang computer natin. So simple lang, in just a seconds kung kailangan natin gawin in a second. So mabilis na ang ating computer. So just follow the procedure on how to make the computer faster. O yan, mabilis na. Thank you.